Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to make a verify command. First to start off, open your starter.bat file and type in slappy. Generate a new command. In the tool category I'm going to do it in there. Type in code dot. First I'm going to make the command a message.delete. This is just going to delete the message after you send it. I'm going to do an if statement. If message.girl.me.has permission, manage roles, return message channel send. I require manage roles permission to give role to a member. Next we're going to const a mentioned no. We're going to const a role roles.cache.get. Then we're going to get the member role. Now make a new role, verified role. I'm going to copy the ID. For you guys that don't know how to copy the ID, you probably haven't turned on that function yet. Go to app settings, advanced, and turn on developer mode. Just paste it in here and await message member.roles.add role ID. Then we're going to message channel send you are now verified. To catch if there's an error, console.error. Console.log error. Now we're going to run a bot by doing npm run dev. Make this an async. Otherwise we can do. Oh wait. Like you see, I don't have any roles. If I do dash verify, I get an error. This has to be a capital P. Just a mistake. There's verify. You are not. Surely I made a type error. You are now verified, and as you see, I got the verified role. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. Bye!